What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Tony, and today we're going to be doing a little unboxing on a two-piece drive shaft that I have ordered. As you may know, on the 2007s, well, the 99 to 2007 classics on the crew cabs, there's two spots that the cross members rub on the drive shaft. You can see the one right there in the back, kind of right under that cross member. That is one sweet spot, and then the other one is on up under the cab. But to eliminate that, I went to alldrivelines.com. They offer several different options with the drive shafts. This one is actually built for a lower truck, so I think it's like 5 to 10 inches lowered. That's what this drive shaft's built for. They do offer it for a stock suspension truck. It comes with the cross member, which will go in the center, which is in the littler box here. Of course, you got your front and your back drive shafts. These drive shafts, I do believe, are only 3 inches thick, or 3 inches around our diameter, compared to these big beefy factory 5 inches, I think. But you know, yeah, we're gonna unbox this. Now that I have everything unboxed, you can see it a little bit better. There's your center cross member that'll be going in the middle, you know, somewhere about under your back door, because you're gonna have one drive shaft go from your rear end back here to the center of that cross member, and then from that cross member up to your transmission. And then you've got these beautiful made two-piece drive shaft, well packaged. I mean, well packaged. I'm really happy. I think total overall, well, it was $579 plus tax or shipping or something, I can't remember. I have a buddy of mine that owns a customizing shop up here, an audio shop, tent shop. He does a little bit of everything. Posey's Pro Truck, shout out to you, buddy, appreciate it. But look, this stuff is well made, and I highly suggest looking at these people. Alldrivelines.com. Like I said before, you can get them in dust, like heavy duty built. I got just a standard because this truck is not going to be for racing or nothing like that. But the drive shaft is actually built for the lowering kit. It's not made for stock. It's already balanced, already made, everything's done. All we got to do is put it in place and drive it. So as soon as we get everything in the truck, I'm going to be getting back with y'all, letting you know how everything went with the install and all that. I'll be giving you a review of how well, you know, balanced and all that is. And yeah, peace